Getting a flat tire, either on the road during a ride or at your place before you step out for a ride, is always a bummer. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to quickly fix the puncture. This should help you either on the road or at home too. I'll be using my PB Swiss tool. It comes with tire levers built into it. I will also use the spark tool, puncture repair kit. And in this box there is a bottle of glue, different size patches, a sandpaper piece, and the box itself can be used. First, flip the cycle over as it makes it easier to take out the wheels. Next, releasing the quick release lever, take out the wheel. Move the shifter back as it makes it easier to take out the wheel. Using your tire levers, find the bead of the tire and pop it off the rim. Considering this is a tubeless ready tire, this will take a little bit of an effort as the bead will be slightly thicker in this. Once the tire is off the rim, you can usually use your fingers to take the rest of it off. Push the valve stem in and take out the tube. Inflate the tube to find out where your puncture is. I'm not using a tub of water as this may not be available on the road. Run your fingers over the tube and you are very likely to find the puncture. The sandpaper has to be used. Now, as I said, the box can be used too. Wrap the sandpaper around the box and use that to rough the edges around the puncture. Once the edges are rough, squeeze out a dollop of glue and smear it and spread it evenly across the entire surface. Take a patch which is of adequate size to cover the entire puncture. Affix it to the punctured area, ensuring that the puncture is in the center of the patch. Wait for the glue to dry and then fill some air to see if the puncture holds. Also, check for other punctures. Run your fingers on the inside of the tire to ensure that whatever caused the puncture is not there to cause you further agony. Insert the valve stem once again first and then slowly tuck the tube back inside the tire. Push the tire back inside the bead with your hand, ensuring that you do not pinch the tube. Towards the end, you will have to use the tire levers to get the entire bead back on the rim. Then inflate the tire and your tire is good to go. For putting the tire on, first put the chain onto the sprocket and then after that shift the derailleur so that you can mount the wheel easily onto the bike. Tighten the quick release. My video for next week is going to be featuring this bike, a bike spec and a review. Any guesses which model this is? Comment below. Until next time, safe ride everyone.